lang. Huwag kang maglilib. Don't leave. Wait. Don't leave.
Oh my God!
Don't leave. There.
Oh my God.
Get back to work.
Okay, sir.
Hey. Get that.
Why?
You promise to my son that you will give him 3 Robux.
Bro. Can you please come help me?
Okay. Get back to work. Go.
Ano i-work ko?
Huh?
Why I gonna work?
I need money. Go work on the computer shop. Go.
Where's the computer shop?
Come here.
Oh my God. Don't hit me with that.
Go.
In here?
Here.
Okay.
Go.
Chill. I gonna die. Oh my God. Hello. Why?
1 hour, please.
Okay. Give me that. Give me the money. Give me the money. Okay. Are you serious right now? Okay. Why are you creative? Okay, Mabako! You spill milk. What is that?
That's not milk.
Toy, kapag ini-place ko dito ay magiging ano to? Isa lang yan. Isa lang ba yan? Itong barrier. Isa lang yan. Okay, next customer.
Give the robbery.
What do you want?
I need money.
I don't have money.
Give me robbery.
Are you serious right now? Bro! Oh my God!
Give me money.
Oto na nga, wait lang po.
Give me money.
This the money I have. There. Oh my God. Go! Ayan, thank you. I have infinite money. Okay, next customer. Oh my... Don't get back in here! Saan? Aray. Sige. Putik ka! Oh my God, I gonna live in this place.
Go punch me.
I gonna leave this place.
Punch
Ow.
Punch me.
Oh my God, what's wrong? Wait lang! Nalib na tuloy. I said, wait.
Okay.
Yan tuloy, nasa car parking na. Oh my God. Oh my God. Serious right now, bro.
Again. Akim. Shout out to Akim. Uy, baba niyo daw po. Ano sa taas? Ikaw na yan. Kung kaya mo.
Sino ba inutos? Di ba kayo?
Ikaw.
Oh, ito ay pingin ang roller coaster.
Ha?
Oh my God.
Nga. Nag-roller coaster muna ako.
Oh my God, I gonna die in this place. Oh my God. Oh my God! Serious? I gonna die in this. Toy, mamamatay na ako. Toy. Tutoy!
At least may ganda. Ikaw nga, wala nang ganda.
Here.
Mukha kang garapata.
Food.
Oh my God, I gonna die. Toy, feed. Feed. Oh my God.
Why you not die? Why you not die? Why you don't die? Oh. Don't move, or I will kill you. Don't move, or I will kill you.
Let's go. Oh my God. I gonna live in this place. Oh my God. Let's go. Oh my God, no.
Nakita mo diba?
Oh my God. Let's go. I escape. Don't place a wither. Toy, wag ka mag-place a wither, ha. Yes, I leave this place. I gonna do. I don't have food. In the jungle. Oh no! No!
Count. What do you want? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Huh?
What do you want? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
One.
Wood sword. 1, 2, or 6? 1, 2, 3, 4.
Wait lang. Six.
Here. You're lucky one, bro. And your final, wait lang. Final, what do you want? 1, 2, or 3?
All.
No. You can just do 2. Choose 2. Only 2.
Okay. 1 and 2.
Okay. You're lucky one, bro.
Oh no.
Wait. By the way.
Oh no. What's my sword? Huh?
You chose one though. What would you want? 1, 2, 3, or no, wag ka tumingin. Or 4. What do you want?
Hmm?
What do you want? What do you want? Huh?
I don't want.
Pili ka.
I don't
Choose.
want. I don't want.
1 to 4. Choose. Or you dead.
Maybe 1. Okay.
Choose 1 to 10.
1 to 10. 9.
Okay. You will fight 9 zombies.
Oh my god!
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Go.
That's just the first round.
Oh my god!
By the way, now that you succeeded to destroy the
Bro, may
zombies,
this one. Oh my god. Go! Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Oh my god, hindi ko pala alam, nagkukumad ka pala. No! Wala na akong emerald blocks. Wala na akong blocks. Wala na akong blocks. Wala na akong blocks. Wala na akong blocks. Oh my god, no. Ayan. Wala na. Oh my god.
oh really?
Bro, please.
Okay. I will.
Please. Can I have some weapons?
Okay. 1 or 2.
1 or 2?
Yes, 1 or 2.
Dalawa lang.
Yes.
1 or 2? Ay, 1 or 2? 2.
By the way, after this, you will get a bigger room. That room is gonna be yours. Take a break.
Oh my god. I'm gonna have some break. I have some light. Ano ba yan? Teyang! Actually guys, kaibigan na namin si Teyang. My weapon is so ina.
Okay, time's up.
Wait, can I have someone more break?
No.
Wait. Can I have someone more break, please? I need this auras. I need this auras. Please, I'm begging you. Please, I'm begging you. Please. Okay. I'm done. Please.
I will improve your sword. 1 or 2.
Huh?
1 or 2.
Maybe 2.
Here. You choose a lucky one.
Let me see.
1, 2, or 3.
1, 2, or 3?
Yes.
3? Oh my god.
Count 1 to 10.
1 to 10? Maybe 1.
Fight this.
Oh my god. Where's my sword? Ay, this one. Oh my god. No.
It followed the scent all the way to the training grounds. The clever dog dug a hole and
Wait, dog. Ow. What is this? Hair, boy. Bro, here's for you.
No. I will grant you.
What grant?
So you win. Okay?
Okay.
Now, you will fight bigger enemies and stronger enemies.
Oh no,
So,
bro.
I will give you 5 minutes to enchant all of your things.
Wait. Wala akong lapis lazuli.
Here.
Nasa na?
By the way, if you run away, I will automatically kill you.
Ba't isa lang?
At ito yung Chagu Tatuan. Ang magiging premyo ay ang bagong-bagong 70 para sa 70 minutes.
Mag-bless ka kay daddy. Look, bless ka kay daddy.
Bless ka kay daddy. Patay. Paano to? Toy, paano to? Paano to? Paano to? Hindi, paano to bawo na ano ka, na damage ka, tapos paano to ganun? Ipapunta dito, tapos dito papunta. Huh? Dito! May damage ka, nagka-damage ka, tapos kaya ayaw mo magka-damage, kaya dito mo nilalagay, tapos para lumakas ka. Dito? Diyan, paano yun?
Parang hindi ka namatay. Tingnan ko, testing mo sa'yo.
Wait lang, meron ako mob. Ano to? Ano nga? Ayun. Ganun pala. Pipindutin.
Hindi. Nasa gilid mo dapat. Kunin mo yun. Chantaan.
Oh, shit.
Enchant all of your armors or else.
Sorry. Sorry.
Pwede naman, pwede bang 45? Halimbawa,
Wait lang.
25.
Wait for a sec.
Kami sa prayer meeting. Bibigyan mo talaga 500 ng quota.
Na-enchant ba yung ano?
2,000 lang, babukanin mo yung 1,000 pang dagdag.
Magkano total ko yung 40 nga. 42.
42. Para yung isa sa akin, may allowance ako ngayong linggong to. Yung isa ibigay ko sa kanya.
Ano?
Malaman ko ako dito.
Matayaw.
Mamaya ka nandaanan dito maalis na.
Bigay nyo sa akin. Ano na yung sabi sa'yo?
Wala. Ay, wala ka na palang XP. Lang. Bigyan kita.
Ano?
Try na.
Ayan, inulog pala ni Nini.
Yun.
Binigay niya yung ano. Inulog pala ni Nini yung 40. Kasi sabi ko, ihulog mo na lang ko. Hindi
Wag,
mo
Luke.
ubos. Inulog niya. Ito na lang natira.
Look, ang hina mo ah.
Dating mayroon.
Ang hina ka sa Call of Duty ah.
Huwag mo asarin.
Hindi, joke lang.
Okay lang yan, look.
Walang yan.
At least hindi ka pangit. Pero walang pangit. Kaya wala.
Si Bornik lang pangit.
Go in the corner.
Mag-invest ka kay Ningning ma.
Dito.
Kita ganyan.
Dito.
Mag-invest ka kay
Oh,
Ningning.
you idiot.
Sa Bisaya.
I'm helping you. My boss is trying to kill me, so I'm gonna help you.
Ito, templo.
Right, done.
Templo.
Now choose one. Ay, sorry. Sorry.
Hoy, hoy! Ano ba yan?
Sorry.
Oh my God.
Bawal masyadong
Hindi pa niya naihulog yung
Oh my God. Ano ba yan?
Choose 1, 2, or 3.
Wait lang, wait lang.
Ikaw mo kumpay, no?
Hindi. Hindi yan.
Sa 30 na yun, 30.
Kumpay, chinikul eh.
May na lang.
Hindi ka eh.
May pillager.
Okay. I have no more.
Wait.
Wala.
Wait lang. May titingnan lang ako. Tingnan ko lang to. Are you serious right now? Oh no. Darkness. Oh no. Bro. What's happening? Oh. Ay. Oh, sorry. Pusang gala ka.
Go.
Putik ka.
Lang, wag mo makulit. Go.
Walang budget.
Oh,
Ano yun? Ginawa mo?
emerald black ka. Ha? Nugat emerald, ah. Okay, get your things. Come on. Come on, go. Quickly. I'm going to open this.
Wait. Nasaan yung ano ko? Armor.
Boy, di ko lang. Wala. Ay,
Ayun. Nasaan?
Kayong mahanap tayong bayan pag nanganak ko.
Hindi tayo ng ano, magkano kami ng isang bake sa inyo na isang ulo.
Yeah.
Wala pa.
No mercy. Okay. Okay na? Are you ready?
Game.
Bibili namin isang ini. So, anak.
Ba't ang dami? Sabi ko unti lang.
Yung kay ano, yung kay
Wait lang. Untiin ka lang.
maraming mga nakita.
Let's get ready to rumble.
Eh, mabibenta na 21.
My God.
Now, you have defeated many bosses. So you granted 64 enchanted apples. And you
Give me some enchanted apple.
wag mo niya sama sila, Miggy. Sabay na yan kila ata yan.
Ako lang si Kaya.
Huwag na!
Kaya yan eh.
Dito muna yan!
Ayaw daw.
Tito Mike! Dito muna si Miggy. Sabay na sila ni Tayam.
Kasama ka ba?
Huwag mo!
Uwi din siya maya dito. Ay, bukas.
Oh.
Saan kayo matulog?
Birthday ni Nanay ngayon.
Lang kasi. Mag-download ka kasi ng Minecraft.
Bawal na kayo! Dito muna si Miggy.
Oh shit. Baliw ako.
Ako magbaliktad.
Maglag ka dyan!
Tutoy naman. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. Oh my God, no. No warden. No warden. No warden.
Wait,
Please, 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 please.
Andil. Yang, dito ko muna! Wala akong kalaro!
Walang baril.
Ha?
Nagiging kamukha ni Nicole Q.
Makunti kasi yung pera namin.
Nagbihis ka ba yan? May damit ka sa taas. Mag-ano ka?
Anong name mo?
Tapos,
Kamukha ka ni Ate Nicole.
Oh, yan ka ba?
Magkalabog ka. Diba?
May damit ka lang doon.
Saan?
Magbihis ka?
1, 2, 3.
Oo naman, may siyar dun.
Saan? Doon. Saan ka maligo? Doon? Dito sa taas o ano lang? Sa taas ka na lang maligo.
Oh, labas ang buhok.
Baka doon ka na maligo sa kanila. Magdala ka na lang damit.
Tama ka sa pagsakan, malamang birthday ni nanay.
Ngayon.
Alam mo pa
Toy, sorry. Ay, uy! Oh my God!